Welcome back, folks. Wow, we are a day closer. I don't know what I'm more excited about. I don't know if it's the turkey. I don't know if it's the fact that I got an orange growing on my orange tree next to me for the first time in 4 years. I got this thing when it was a little old sprout. And now I have the first ever orange, but I pollinated it with a lemon tree. And I got like 24 lemons on my tree. These things are about, I don't know, about 3 feet tall. I got 2 of them in the office. Man, it smells like Soarin' from Disney World. Anybody ever been on Soarin' where it's like adventure? I go to Disney World and they have the where it flies over the orange thing and it used to make it smell like oranges. That's what it smells like in my office right now because it's blooming. Awesome though. I'm really pumped. Yeah, a lot of things going on today, folks. We're going to talk. The journey continues. I'm with you on this. I want to be the best coach, national champion coach and teacher. You guys know I have 2 90s under my belt, recognized in DC, down in the Senate floor in Harrisburg multiple times. We are here to take you to the next level for your learning. I'm going to continue to teach. We're going to do the best we can. If you are with me on that, I'll say it again. Put freedom in the comments down below. Financial freedom is what we're striving for. Freedom. I feel like it's July 4th, but it's Turkey Day. Let's still put freedom down there. Celebrate that turkey. That turkey didn't get that though. That's just, oh man, I'm so hungry. A lot of things going on. We just had a nice live stream, crushed it again. A lot of fun in that live stream in the Discord, private one. I'm doing it again tomorrow. Yeah, congratulations everyone. It kind of just has fun learning and all that. It never stops. The learning never stops. We got to continue doing what we're doing. We have a massive opportunity moving forward. If you guys haven't done it, we have the technical course, the crypto course, the options course, the Black Friday deal right now. I have code crypto. I don't know. It's because we just released the crypto course, but you can use it on any of these over here. If you have not taken my technical analysis course, you have to get in there. Do not go fishing without the tools. We're going to knock 400 and something off this course for you with code crypto, or the options course or the crypto course, but truly get all of them. Get all of them today and you get a discounted price plus another 400 and something off. You can do any of the bundles as well if you only want options and technicals or cryptos and technicals or crypto and options. It's up to you. Take advantage of this now. First link down below. And if you want to watch me trading tomorrow, second link down below. Get into the earner tier. It's the only people are going to be able to see it. Code HOPE saves 50% off, and you'll see that down below right here. Now, let's go ahead and talk shop. This is what I'm watching. This is a bullish candle, all right? So this is called a hammer. If it's green, it's a really strong hammer. Red, not as strong. More times than not, we will have a green candle tomorrow, but it doesn't mean so. But I'm telling you, that's what it normally does. We'll see how it goes. If it starts to sell off before 7 o'clock makes a new one for me. So in about 3.5 hours, we'll watch how this goes. But for now, this is still bullish. You know, you want to see a strong candle here. If this can turn green today, I like it. Now, you guys know I'm still kind of bearish on this market until the 5 crosses the 13. 13 is still traveling downward. We did get back above the 5. We wanted the confirmation above the 5. I told you if this is green, we're going to the 13, no problem. It is red right now. So, you know, I just tell you what I see. And we'll find out. See this right here? See this right here? Reminds me of what you're seeing right here. So you have a double crust where we go up, up, up. More times than not, you're going to hit the 13. We hit the 13 and it comes down. Exactly what I teach in the technical course. If you guys don't have that, you need it. You need to understand these candles. And it's not hard. If you have a real coach like me, I am there for you. I teach it to you how you need to learn it. As you go through and you master this, the whole world opens up. You know, I taught thousands and thousands of students now over at these courses, and I'm telling you, I am always, it warms the old heart, the old ticker, when I have somebody come out and say, Mo, I made my first ever trade. It paid for itself in the first trade because they learn what to look for. They learn patience, and that is what it's about. It's not about having to, oh, I got to be in every play. Oh, it's football. I got to play every football. You know, you don't have to. You wait for the perfect ones. If that resonates with you, then you are at the right channel. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, put freedom in the comments because it's a long journey, but we'll get there. And anybody that's having a bad day, I got one more thing I'll share in my personal. We'll get into all of the charts here. To start my day today, I had to take the newest feline friend of the family. We got a new one, and it had to go get neutered today. I think Bob Barker would be very, very happy with me that we did, he always says, get your pet spayed and neutered at the end of his show. We did. And, but he's a little ball of fire, a lot of love. His motor's always running. He's a good cat, but he's not going to be happy with me today. We got to go pick him up this afternoon. Shortly after I get this video out, I got to start to run up there and go get him. So I'm sure he's not going to be a happy camper. On top of that, some vaccines. Oh, man, what a day. He is not going to be himself. All right, back to the charts. Let's go. It's a good day, folks. It's a good day. Turkey Day coming. Make sure you got your turkey thawed. I don't need people telling me that they got salmonella poisoning because they didn't thaw it out right. Let's take a look at what we got. We'll go crypto, boom, bingo, bango. A couple of plays I'm looking at. I'm going to give one to the family because I care about you. And we're going to take a look. So, as you can see right now with Ethereum on the day chart, still coming down, hitting the 50, coming down, hitting the 13, coming down, double cross back up to 13 as expected. This could be a reversal right here. I'm telling you, this I expected to 13 and then lower. This one, we don't know yet. This is a testing of the 50. I would expect at that point to come down, back up to 13 down, 13 down, 13 possibly. So here's what I think. If we confirm above the 13, I think we're going to the 50. I really think we're going to the 50. So they finish above the 13 and opening closing candle above that, we're going back up to the 50 EMA. Doesn't mean the bear trend is broke. It just means I think short-term swing traders, that's your play. If we hit the 13 and we come back down and confirm below the 5, I think we're going down to this line, the 2,500 line. That's a big drop, Mo. I know, because we're at 2,900. That'd be $400 off, and that'd be about 15% down. That's what I'm watching for. You guys know I'm being patient on this, because I'm excited to move in 7 figures into this, but I have to be patient, and I'm going to be patient. We're going to watch this. We're going to see how it goes for a few days. The problem I have, and I'm going to show you the problem I have. And you guys say what you want. I pointed this out to Mrs. Mo and Trade Coach yesterday. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm pulling up, not QQQ, I'm pulling up Nvidia. And I'm going to show you Nvidia. So yesterday, I pointed out to them that the market was up like 2-point-something%, and Nvidia was only up 1-point-something%. It lagged the market, which is not normal. In my mind, that was very, very, very bearish move. You want to see this thing crush the market, but it didn't. With that being said, you have this massive gap down. Massive gap down. Now it's moving up. It's trying to take care of that. We'll see how it goes. But I have to tell you, I like the puts right here. 13 is crossing. The 5's moving down. This trend is solid. I got to be honest, everybody, you see a lot of negativity. Even with their big positive earnings, it pushed all the way down. We retested up a little bit. Now we're back below here. So to me, this is setting up for more movement downward. The markets are green today. If you look at the markets, you can see them green. So what happens if these things turn red? Which could happen. Could happen. I don't know. We'll watch. I would expect this to actually continue down. Now, this is what I call it a bottle rocket, but it's known as a hammer, and it's a green hammer, so it could continue up tomorrow. So I'm going to tell you I like playing the 13 a ton on this one. So I'm going to let one ride. I'm going to try to play that 13 down. But moving on, look at the Qs. The Qs are reversing up. Mixed signals. How do you have the 13 crossing on Nvidia, and this market's holding up? I don't know. So I'll be interested in seeing if we break this right here. It's everything I said to you with the Qs coming down like this. This could be the same thing for Nvidia tomorrow, would be canceled. And so if we get above 611 and confirm, I think the bear run is canceled for the Qs. That's my opinion. I'll give it a couple of days. So we're watching that. Now move over to XRP and all the crypto. Lots to watch. Like I said, I'm heavy cash. Heavy cash. XRP, we hit up here, a little bit of, we crossed the 13. This is it. You know how many people told me this is it? And I said, just give it 2 candles because you don't have a confirmation yet. And look, just like I thought, we're having a little bit of red here. We're on the major line that I've had, and I keep it here just so I can watch. If we fall back below the 5 and a 13 and confirm, we're going back down and retesting the lows. If we bounce tomorrow, which is possible, and now I'm going to add another line to you. If you have a candle that finishes right above this candle, so we come up and we finish in this zone, anywhere in this zone, I am bullish up to the 50. So swing traders, that's the info you need. We're at 218 right now? 216, 218. So we're at 218 right now. If you finish around 223 or above, up to 238, I think you're going up and hitting the 50. And the 50's at 238. So I do like that if it happens. Did we do Bitcoin? Let me just make sure we covered all of them. Bitcoin, ooh, not good. That's not a good candle for Bitcoin. Down to 87. We were up to 89, almost 90. We're back down to 87. You're retesting some of this line right here that I have. RSI got really oversold. Not good. We wanted to get up to the 13 minimum, but we'll see how it goes tomorrow. All right, so green candle, red candle. It's getting Christmas season. Don't be surprised for another green candle. You want to break right here. So do this. You're going between the 50 and the 13 right here. What do we need? And that is 88. So we need to break 88.3 or higher, and we should get up to the 13, which is at 91. So if you're playing the short term, that's what we're looking at. We'll go do Solana, last one. Hit Solana. Solana's at the 13. Another major resistance, as you can see here, here. We're here again. It has failed the last 1, 2, 3 times. 3 major times. So is it going to break it here? If it does, that's a whole different ball game. The 50 is in play. And I'm not going to be surprised to see it do it or pull back. You kind of got to give it another candle or two. Folks, these are daily candles, so I can't rush it. If it pushes back down, we know what to do. If it breaks this and the 5 breaks it, we know what to do. It should go up to the 50. I'll play that. So I'm going to be swing trading for a few days, and that's what we're going to do. I'm getting ready. Like I said, we want to take 2 steps forward, and of course we'll have those steps back, but we want to always take and be moving forward. Let's go. Financial freedom, folks. Put freedom in the comments down below. We're just getting started. Yeah. All right. If you haven't gotten the technical course, the crypto course, the options course, we got our Black Friday sale right now. First link down below. Code crypto will save you a ton off of any of this. And you guys can take advantage of it. And if you're not in the Discord and you want to follow along with the day trading, what do we got? The day trading teaching of 0 DTEs, all you got to do is click this second link here. And you guys can come on over, sign up using code HOPE, H-O-P-E. And there you go. That's it. That is it, my family. I appreciate you stopping by. I will see you in the Discord. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get out there and make some money.